Welcome to this latest video in our Morocco by Motorhome series. And in this short video, we invite you on board with us as we sadly exit Morocco after our 90 days around this beautiful African beauty. We give you a step-by-step guide as to what to expect, so if this is new for you, then hopefully this will give you a bit of a flavour of what's to come. So that brings us to the end of our 3 months in Morocco 2023. We're just about to enter Tangier Med for our ferry.
I'm not gonna cry!
We'll take you through it, so if this is your first time thinking about Morocco, then we'll take you through the procedure of embarkation back to Spain. It's quite a long road in, so don't feel like you've missed something. You haven't. It's all good. After about a mile from the first roundabout, we are heading on in automobile access. Down we go. And our first police stop. I'll turn the camera off now. So waved on at the first checkpoint. Don't quite know what they're looking for. They just looked at our van. We're going for check-in. We've already bought tickets from Carlos with a return and an open ticket. So we want ticket registration, heading straight on. Gosh, seems very weird. We were getting our insurance just there, not more than 3 months ago, and here we are. We just need to get our tickets checked in at this spot here. Although it says ticket sales, it does also say ticket check-in. So I'm just going to find out where that is, because after 3 years I can't remember. So we're just going to go and check in. Next one, 12:30, we know we've already missed that one, so hopefully I can still check in for the afternoon one. There you go, that was very easy. I just handed over what was given to us by Carlos into the ticket desk, and that was all he needed. He's printed out all of our tickets, which I now have here, and he said to carry on through customs, probably the scanner I suspect, and then we can sit down, chill out and have a little bit of lunch. Here are our tickets ready for the 4:30 crossing. Bear in mind that the ticket information from Carlos may not be the latest sailing date, so whichever sailing company, ferry company you're going with, just make sure that you check online and see what the latest schedule is. Might need to turn the camera off in a minute, just in case they're a bit sensitive. I'll see how we go. Okay. I think this is probably more for entry to Morocco rather than exit from Morocco. So we're just carrying on until somebody waves at us. Some people over there, maybe they'll be waving. No, they're workmen, they're not interested either. It's quite a disconcerting road because it seems to go on forever and ever, and you wonder whether you're going to end up back on that main motorway up the top there. Although just keep following it, it will eventually double back. So waved on through those gates, now into our next lot of probably customs, I would think. So I will be turning the camera off now. So passports checked. Now we're going on to the next stage. Blimey, such a lot to go through.
Dwanzies now, customs.
Yep, customs, and probably giving over, I suspect at some point, the D16 form that they gave us. So the last checkpoint, the douanes is looked at the D16, giving us a little stamp, which basically means we're exporting the vehicle from Morocco back into Spain. So we're all good. He didn't want to see anything else, so we're now queuing up with the rest of them. So we're gonna go and have some lunch. So we've been waiting 45 minutes in the queue with lots of other people doing other ferries, and now it's time for the scanner. So if I remember rightly, because it's a radiation zone, we have to get out whilst they move the little scanner. I'm hoping, being at the front of the queue, we might just be able to show you it working. There we go. Moves along the cars. So that was the scanner. Quite a long queue now. Glad we turned up when we did. It does take a good while to get through. We've been here for about an hour now, and now we're heading down towards the port. So you go through the scanner, you can't sit in the car, no photographs allowed, and then the sniffer dog comes just to check inside your van. Doesn't want to go into the garage, just literally in the door frames, and that's it. So I think we're all good to go. Spain, here we come. That's not for us, that's for people entering the country, so we just pass on by.
Have a nice trip.
One more check. All they wanted were the tickets. That's our ferry just there, I'm guessing. So we've got to go to numero 6. Number 6 to you and me. There we go. Embarkation.
Now we have to do the snake.
We do. Although, actually,
That's not our boat, is it?
that is our boat. People are just coming off. I wonder whether we might be early. That would be a thought. Wow. And we're here until they tell us otherwise. So we are quite early. It's now 3 o'clock for a 4:30 sailing. Always a bit nervous about this bit. Are we going to scrape or not? Come on, Scooby. Slowly does it. Done. Perfect. And there we go. We made it. There's one very, very dirty, not smiley, one very dirty van on the AML ferry on Saturday, the 15th of April 2023. Well, we were an hour and a half late, and of course Spain, even though it's only a few miles or so across the water from Morocco, is 2 hours behind because of Ramadan. So we've arrived here. It is no idea what the time is. I think it might be 9 o'clock, give or take. 10 o'clock. Oh, that's not going to be nice. Sorry for that. There was a little bit of a moment. Were we going to clear the ramp? We did, probably with about a millimetre to spare. Anyway, clear it we did. So we're an hour and a half late in leaving. Very good sailing, and here we are, 10 o'clock. Got to just get ourselves through customs, and then we're going to be stopping at the port overnighter, as long as we don't get squashed by the lorries.
Hola España, amigos, muchachos.
We're here, very easy to get through customs. Quick look at the passports. Then the customs guy said, "Oh, you have a house on wheels," in broken English. "Where are you from?" "England." Waved us on. Shimposh. Now time for a nightcap and some beddy buys. We've arrived safely after about 5 minutes from the port. The overnight spot that we always come to, half expecting there to be quite a lot of motorhomes. There's one caravan and that's it. So all very quiet tonight. There's also meant to be a big storm coming in, so good luck on that one, eh? Anyway, home for tonight before we go and do washing tomorrow. Come on. You've been on board with the Motoroamers as we exited Morocco with our motorhome. We really hope you enjoyed our step-by-step video. If you did and you want to join the community, press subscribe now.